Ever found yourself with a cluttered Microsoft Loop workspace and wondered how to clean it up quickly? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a Microsoft Loop page efficiently so you can keep your workspace organized and focused. First, start by opening your Loop workspace. This is where all your collaborative pages live, so it's important to make sure you're in the correct workspace before deleting anything. Take a moment to navigate through your workspaces and locate the one containing the page you no longer need. Once you're in the right place, find the specific page you want to remove. Double check its content to make sure it's the one you truly want to delete. This step is crucial because once the page is gone, it can't be recovered. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see 3 dots. This is your More Options menu. Click on it and a list of actions will appear. From here, select Delete. A confirmation prompt will pop up to ensure you really want to remove the page permanently. Take a final glance, and if everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. And just like that, the page is gone. With this simple process, you can easily declutter your Microsoft Loop workspace and stay organized. Remember, always double check which page and workspace you're in to avoid accidentally deleting important content. Now you can manage your Loop pages with confidence and peace of mind. Try this method and watch your workspace stay neat and efficient.